All of our wool that we purchased from the Willamette Valley was taken in from this warehouse and was evaluated and bought with a bunch of shrewish farmers. Now, if anybody thinks farmers are dumb guys, they're mistaken. They know how to get the most out of their wool. I'm not going to accuse farmers of having loaded in autumn leaves or dirt or anything to weigh more heavily, but farmers are a little bit apt to condition the wool. Leave it outside for a couple of days and it picks up 40 pounds. And you have to evaluate, or the wool buyer has to evaluate how damp the wool is or how dry it is based upon what he's going to get when the wool is cleaned. That's not also true with not exclusively of the dampness, but of whether or not the animal matter has been separated from the wool before it comes in. The question is, are you buying dung or are you buying wool? The idea of buying wool is tricky. I bought a lot of wool in the Willamette Valley in big lots. We bought as much as 40,000 pounds from a clip in Curry County one time, but on the other hand, we bought a lot of wool that came in 2 or 3 fleeces that people had saved. And I was working in the wool house in my first job, and the guy came in with 4 fleeces from one of his pet sheep named Edna. And they said, we want to have a blanket made out of this. And I was about to say, no, we can't do that. Gilbert White said, that's fine, we'll do that. We bought the 4 fleeces. I said, what are you going to do with those? He said, we're going to dump them in the pile, and when we get a blanket out, we're going to give it to them so they'll have a blanket made of Edna and they'll love it just the same.